separated med. So, now let's learn the third type of med. This third type of med is called separated med. In Arabic, we can call it med munfasil. So, separated med is when the first word ends with alif med, ya med, or waw med, and the second word begins with a hamza. So, this is separated med. Also, separated med sign is a wavy sign, not a pointy sign. And also, we must stretch the sound twice, 4 or 5 stretches, not 6. Now, let's practice some words with separated med. Also, repeat after me twice. So, in this first word, there are 2 clues for separated med. The first one is that there is alif med at the end of the first word and hamza at the beginning of the second word. And the second clue is that there is always a wavy med sign for separated med on the alif med. And we read it like this. Ma'unzila. Repeat after me twice. Ma'unzila. 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 Ya ayyuhan nasu. Ya ayyuhan nasu. يا أيها الناس فيها أبدا فيها أبدا فيها أبدا قالوا آمنا قالوا آمنا قالوا آمنا لا إله إلا هو لا إله إلا هو لا إله إلا هو. So, I hope you got it. In this lesson so far, we have learned 3 types of med. Separated med, attached med, and lazim med. And in the next lesson, we will recap inshallah. If you think this lesson is hard and you didn't understand the rule, then you can watch it over and over again. So, that is it. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.